All right, guys, check this out. You're looking at single caps, custom fitted, real gold teeth. These are 10K solid gold, and they're iced with a single solitary diamond in the middle. As you can see, that's a real diamond, guys. It's not cubic zirconia. It's not a fake simulated stone or a man-made diamond. These are mined from the earth, guys. Real natural diamonds. And I'm gonna go ahead and put that to the test for you using the Diamond Night DN1 Pro tester. Okay, now this is an electronic tester. There it is, guys. It's a real diamond. Okay. Now these are available on our website, blingcartel.com. Quality handmade work, perfect fit. Check us out, guys. Real diamonds, real 10K gold. blingcartel.com. Thanks for watching. As always, y'all have a good one.